Hello students, I, Jyoti, Head Department of Microbiology and also convener of Career Oriented Courses, welcome you all to the virtual orientation session on Career Oriented Courses. What are these career oriented courses and why are they important? So, you all know that after completing your undergraduation, you get a basic degree, and that basic degree helps in acquiring a job. But these additional courses, career oriented courses or skill oriented courses, they will add a feather to your cap and help you to stand out in the crowd, which will have a successful career ahead. Why these COC courses are necessary? The status of autonomy has given flexibility to reorient and reshape the programs offered in the college to make them more relevant and career oriented with focus on quality and excellence. Professionally qualified graduates with a sound knowledge of their core disciplines and expertise in a concerned skill will always have more openings in industry, in service, and self employment sectors. The demand and scope for such professionally trained graduates is presently the requisites in all the applied fields. The COC courses ensure that students are enriched with knowledge, skills, and aptitude for gainful employment in which sector in general, self employment in particular, and also empower students. It is a path of continuous learning to upgrade skills, to move up the ladder, and build expertise for tomorrow. The courses make students more competent, confident, and communicative. The general details of these courses. The number of COC courses available for all of you are 34 courses across the streams, compulsory for all the second year students to enroll into one career oriented course. It is a 2 credit course and it is mainly the classes are conducted every Tuesday in the third and the fourth semester. The timings for the COC course in presently are 3 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. and they are going to be conducted in an online mode until we give you further information. The evaluation pattern of this course, as you have your regular examinations, you also have continuous internal examination and end semester examination for COC2. So you have a continuous internal assessment conducted for 15 marks where attendance is mandatory, and then you have an end semester evaluation conducted for 35 marks. The end semester examination is course dependent and it could be in the form of written exam or projects or assignments depending upon the course. It is important to note that COC courses are conducted in collaboration with external institutes, firms, and expertise. Departments have collaborations and linkages. They also have MOUs with external agencies to conduct these COC courses. And attending the classes is a mandate. All the classes have to be regularly attended and it is a mandate. Passing the COC course is a must because it will show up in the marks memo. Registration only in one course and do not register in more than one course. So once you register in one course, you will be doing the same course both the semesters, third as well as the fourth semester. You can choose a course for value addition to your subject and which has the potential to get jobs. The teaching learning methodologies which are adapted in the COC courses are guest lectures, external lectures, extension lectures, hands-on training workshops, on-job training, and internships. Here are a few glimpses of COC courses conducted in the campus. So, media communication, conducted by Hindi department. Baking techniques, you can see, which is being organized by nutrition department in nutrition lab. Fitness and nutrition. Insurance licentiate offered by Department of Commerce. Disaster management offered by Department of Economics. Aquarium maintenance, which is offered by Department of Zoology. Communication skills offered by Department of English. Women, career and growth also offered by Department of English. Let's get into the details of the various courses available for all of you. So the courses offered by Department of Languages. Department of English offers two COC courses. The first course, Women, Career and Growth. What are the objectives and outcomes of the course? This course equip women students with essential skills required in personal and professional life in today's world. They acquire a minimum level of proficiency for corporate and personal communication. The other course offered by Department of English is Communication Skills for Personal and Professional Effectiveness. It helps in gaining useful and pragmatic strategies for communicating in a variety of workplace situations. Course enables students to employ as reporter, copy editor, correspondent, travel writer, management analyst, manager or administrator, market research and analyst in organizations. Department of Arabic offers a course Phonetics and Translation. The course introduces learners to facilitate entry and engagement in Arabic speaking environment. It offers to develop good pronunciation and translation through advanced awareness of relevant aspect of speech. Department of Hindi offers media communication. You see, in the present world of information and technology, media is one of the pillars of the country. It enables students to survive in the media world and introduce themselves as newsreaders, anchors, script writers, etc. Department of Sanskrit offers two courses, Light Music and Health and Well-being through Ayurveda, Yoga and Meditation. So, light music is designed to introduce students to the basics of light music in Carnatic classical style. And health, well-being through Ayurveda, Yoga and meditation highlight the importance of health and well-being in contemporary health scenario and motivate students further to study about ancient Indian health sciences. Students will know the importance of Ayurveda, Yoga and meditation in physical, mental health and well-being, which can be implemented in daily life. Department of Telugu offers a course Anchoring and News Reading. This course is designed to improve language command, improve speaking skills and ensure career opportunity in electronic media. Moving ahead, let us see the courses offered by Department of Social Sciences. Economics Department offers two courses, Disaster Management, Agricultural Economics. Disaster Management provides detailed knowledge on disaster preparedness, reducing the effect and rehabilitation. Agricultural Economics helps in studying and analyzing the aspects that influence the agricultural economy. Trained personnel will meet the nation's demand for high-level professional manpower in agricultural sciences, agricultural economics, and agribusiness management. Department of History offers Sociology of Culture. It introduces students to understand the sociological theory and culture of states as a sociological concept. It focuses on individual social assumption and multicultural aspects. Department of Political Science offers a course Women's Studies. The purpose and potential for women's studies is tremendous. It is an exciting new area of study that opens possibilities for research innovations and field activism. It also encourages students to participate in service and mold them as social human beings. Department of Public Administration again offers two courses: International Travel, Tourism Management, E-Governance. International travel and tourism management are huge industries around the world, and there's lot of demand for employers for qualified members. This course includes tourism management, air ticketing, etc. As a service-oriented industry, it also deals with customer handling, communication, time management, and decision making. E-governance aims at equipping students with information about e-governance initiative for delivery of citizen-centric services. It helps in attaining skills and understand concepts needed to effectively manage e-government projects and programs. Department of Psychology offers interpersonal communication. The objective of the course is to provide the student with theoretical and practical introduction to interpersonal communication in order to improve their effectiveness in all spheres of life. Moving ahead, the courses offered by Department of Commerce. Department of Commerce offers three courses. So starting with the first course, Retail Management. Retail Management provides students with an overview of retail management concepts and fundamentals and acquainting them with the application of global marketing practices and enabling them to acquire specialized skills in retailing. The outcome of the course has emerged as one of the fastest growing career in the country and will be the ready products in market standing apart from the rest. The second course offered is Insurance Licentiate, and it is run in collaboration with Insurance Licentiate of India or Insurance Institute of India. The objective of the course is to impart systematic education, training, and creating avenues for research and development in the field of insurance and insurance auxiliary services, thus developing highly efficient and skilled professions. Students complete the Insurance Licentiate exam and can be absorbed in various insurance and banking companies. The third important course offered by Department of Commerce is Entrepreneurial Development. The objective of the course is to enable the students as job providers rather than job seekers, equip the students with skills and knowledge required to start and sustain their own business, provide an understanding of scope of an entrepreneur, key areas of development, financial assistance by institutions, methods of taxation and tax benefit. The outcome of the course is that students can start their own startups or assess their family business. Department of Business Administration BBA offers one course, Digital Marketing. The objective of the course is to provide theoretical framework to understand the emerging practice conditions with an analytical in the world of digital marketing. The outcome of the course is to help students to pursue a career in various roles as capacities as digital marketing manager, content marketing manager, content writers, inbound marketing manager, SEO executives, etc. The courses offered by Department of Physical Sciences. Computer Science Department offers three courses: Python Programming, Artificial Intelligence, Beginner's Course in Machine Learning. Python Programming is a programming language and it mainly develops competence in programming for entry into computer science jobs. Artificial Intelligence is aimed at providing students with a sound base in artificial intelligence and expand their thinking and problem solving skills. Beginner's Course in Machine Learning is aimed at educating the students with basic foundations of machine learning coupled with working knowledge of applying simple machine learning techniques for problem solving. Students will learn the theoretical concepts, methods, algorithms, and techniques for the machine learning field. Department of Physics and Electronics offers a course robotics, and it is preferably for physical science students. It helps in obtaining the required skill to design the motion for robotic systems. It also helps in understanding of the functionality and limitations of robot actuators and sensors and program a robot to perform a specified task. Department of Mathematics offers a course General Mathematics, and this course is for non-math students. This career-oriented program in mathematics, it promotes mathematical skills and knowledge, effectiveness in developing proficiency in analytical reasoning, utility in modeling and solving real-world problems. It helps in increasing proficiency and mastery at higher level mathematics. It also prepares students for mainly solving higher level mathematics in competitive examinations. Department of Statistics offer a course MS Excel and R programming. It introduces students to advanced programming languages so as to secure jobs in data mining industry. Students who try to opt for this course definitely are required to have a desktop or a laptop as a requisite for mainly having practicing programs in MS Excel and R programming. Courses offered by Department of Life Sciences. Biochemistry department offers design thinking as skill. The course enhances innovation activities in terms of value creation, speed, and sustainability. It strengthens student individual and collaborative capabilities to identify problems, issues, need, and develop sound hypotheses, collect and analyze appropriate data, and develop ways to collect meaningful feedback in real world environment. It teaches students to translate defined opportunities into actionable innovation possibilities and recommendations for key stakeholders and their organizations. Department of Biotechnology offers medical lab technology. It helps in gaining basic knowledge in hematology, diagnostic procedures, and waste management in hospitals and gain overall knowledge on hospital techniques and management. Department of Zoology, Aquarium Maintenance. It provides hands-on training to the students for setting up an aquarium and its decoration, management, development, breeding, and rearing fishes. Department of Microbiology offers a course Medical Coding. There is an admission fee for the course where it is around 3,000 rupees for both the semesters, that is third as well as the fourth semester. It helps in creating awareness on healthcare system and analytical knowledge to assign codes for various diseases and procedures. Career in the outsourcing world of healthcare will give scope for international exposure. Department of Nutrition offers 3 courses. The first course, Nutrition, Fitness and Nutrition. It trains and equips students with relevant skills and inputs related to fitness and nutrition. It helps in seeking a career as fitness and diet counselors in health centers, gyms, schools, etc. The second course offered by the department is Baking Techniques. It helps in developing professional competency in the student in bakery industry and also helps in setting up their own retail bakery business. The third course offered by Department of Nutrition is Culinary Techniques. It helps in developing culinary competencies among students in multi-cuisine recipes. The competence helps in gaining employment and set up own catering business and cookery classes. Department of Genetics offers a course Clinical Cytogenetics and develops skill enhancement in the area of clinical genetics, equips students to take up technical opportunity in corporate hospitals, research and development organizations. Department of Botany offers herbal medicine and beauty care. So it mainly helps in promoting beauty care as a viable career option to students with aptitude. It promotes use of herbal products as alternative therapy and for personal grooming, and also helps in establishing their own beauty parlor. Department of Chemistry offers a course, Textiles and Dyes. It creates awareness about art and basic knowledge about weaving, dyeing and printing. It motivates the youth for self-employment and women empowerment. So how you are supposed to register for these COC courses? All of you are supposed to visit the college website. So the college website is www.stanscollegehyderabad.com. Click on the COC registration links which will be posted on the college website. Submit your details through the Google form which is posted on the website. Ensure you write or you enter your correct hall ticket number and select your course of choice. Each course intake is limited to 40 students only. First come, first serve basis. Registrations will be open from 25th September, that is tomorrow, 5 p.m. onwards. So you can go through all the courses, select your course of choice and then be prepared to fill up the Google form tomorrow. In case of any queries regarding the courses, please contact the course coordinators. The list of course coordinators, the list of courses with contact details will be shared in your WhatsApp groups, class WhatsApp groups. It is important to note that enroll yourself only in one course. Otherwise, your registration remain cancelled. So students, enroll only into one course. If you enroll by mistake also into two courses, your registration remains cancelled. So don't make any mistakes while you're filling up the Google form, and always choose your choice of the course. The COC committee, myself, Jyoti, convener of the career oriented courses. So in case you have any queries, you can contact me at the following contact number. We also have members from the COC committee. So if you have any doubts related to BCom, BBA courses, you can contact Usharani ma'am, who is the head department of MCom department, or Supriya ma'am, who is the faculty from the Department of Commerce. In case you have any issues or you have any concerns related to life science courses, you can contact Dr. Tasneem ma'am, head department of zoology. Physical science courses, you can contact Miss Gladys ma'am, faculty department of mathematics, or else you can contact the convener for clarifying your doubts. This is a glimpse of the COC registration form. So you are supposed to mainly, when you click on the link available in the website, it will lead you to a Google form. The Google form has certain requirements. So it will ask you certain details, your hall ticket number, your name, your stream. Fill up all those details appropriately. And once you fill up all the details, then you will be provided an opportunity to select the course of your choice. So you will have a drop down menu. So you just have to scroll down so that you can see all the courses available and select only the course which you are interested in. Opt for the course which you are interested in and submit the Google form properly with all appropriate details. Otherwise, your registration remains cancelled. Girls, I would now like to conclude the orientation with a quote. A winner is someone who recognizes his God-given talents, works his tail off to develop them into skills and use these skills to accomplish his or her goals. And this is given by Larry Bird. So I wish all of you all the very best and in your career, and choose an appropriate career oriented course which can add a feather to your cap and which can mainly add knowledge to your basic stream. Thank you all.